In the previous video, we understood what is insert functionality about. In this video, let's try to understand what is extend functionality about. Let's see the syntax. So list one dot extend. So extend is accepting an iterable. So what does that say? Extend list by appending elements from the iterable. So what are iterables? Iterables are nothing but you take strings, list, sets, tuples. All these are said to be different iterables. So let me just take the example of string. So hello here, what exactly happens in the earlier case where you have the added the value hello. So directly that entire hello got added at last as a whole single value. Now what exactly happens is from this hello, each and every element would be appended individually. Let's try to see that. So list one. So now you see HELLO got added individually. Similarly, if I take list one got extend. So here in the previous example, if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 directly we got added. Now here, if I just try to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's try to understand what do we get. So list one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements got added individually. So even though if I take some set, so list one dot extend. So I'll just take some set of values 100, 200, 300. Let's see that. So 100, 200, 300 got added individually. What if I try to provide list one dot extend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an integer value. So if you try to add integer value to your extend functionality, as it is not an iterable, that would be throwing us an error. Let's observe that. Yes, so we got the error saying that integer object is not iterable. So that is all extend functionality about. In the next video, let's try to see how do we remove the values.